Teresa Giudice looked smokin on social recently with a new set of extensions, causing many to compare the 49-year-old to her daughter, Gia. Like mother like daughter. Real Housewives of New Jersey star Teresa Giudice took to her Instagram on Friday, October 1st to show off a fresh look, crediting celebrity stylist, Lena Kitties, for the installation of her extensions plus an enviable color, cut and style. Although the mother of four meant to put her gorgeous new chestnut locks on display, fans couldn't help but take notice of her youthful appearance, comparing the 49-year-old to her 20-year-old daughter, Gia Giudice. "I almost thought this was Gia," one fan commented, nothing how similar the New Jersey native appeared to her young daughter. "You look like a 21-year-old," noted another user. More commenters echoed the sentiment, with one saying, "Teresa, you look amazing, not a day over 25. Former Real Housewives of Atlanta star Kim Zolciak-Bierman chimed into the comments section, simply writing, "Stunning." Teresa's four daughters, Gia, 20, Gabriella, 16, Melania, 15, and Adriana, 12 definitely bear a resemblance to their mother, as they all share similar light, bright eyes and wavy brunette locks. Teresa shares her daughters with ex-husband Joe Giudice, who is currently living in Italy after being deported in 2019 following a 41-month prison sentence for committing wire fraud and bankruptcy fraud. The 49-year-old was reportedly devastated over Teresa's new romance with Louis Rules, although he was spotted recently having a good time in the Bahamas, reuniting with Teresa's pal Dina Manzo. Related gallery. Gia Giudice, photos of Joe and Teresa Giudice's daughter. Teresa can't really be bothered by her ex though, as she's recently posted numerous cozy shots with her current flame, Louis, showing off her killer bod and gorgeous locks. A source recently revealed to Hollywood Life that the New Jersey beauty is very open to marriage with her businessman beau. Teresa feels like this is it for her when it comes to her relationship with Louis, the source shared. "She's honestly never been happier and is in the happiest, healthiest relationship she's ever been in. She absolutely could see herself marrying Louis. The kids love him and he's very good to her kids."